As Robert Fisk once said, it's a journalist's job to be a witness to history. We're not there to worry about ourselves. We're there to try and get as near as we can, in an imperfect world, to the truth and get the truth out. Sure, we've got shelves full of stories, but the real learning begins when we step beyond these pages to work on our own. Every book holds a truth, every story a layer, but the real lesson is learning to question, decode, and interpret what lies beneath. At SOJMC, journalism isn't just taught, it's lived. Every lens, every light, every mic becomes a guide to uncovering reality. Here, we don't just report stories, we engage with them. Every interview, every conversation teaches us to listen, interpret, and question. In the edit rooms, you realize a story isn't just perfection, it's about perspective, context, and truth. And sometimes the best lesson comes through a chai gossip and the best meat you have. At SOJMC, learning doesn't stay in books. It lives in stories, in people, in moments, waiting to be uncovered.